You're listening to Life with DJ Sessions right here on WCSUFM.org.
Welcome back to Life with DJ Sessions. My NMLS number is 271-823. Today's topic, really it's about estate planning, right? What do we do? How do we prepare for an unexpected death, right? It happens. We'd love to say we're going to live forever, but the reality is we're really here just a short time. And we're thinking about building generational wealth. You got to put these things in place to try to make sure that, your legacy moves on and that you're at least doing your part, right? So, just kind of keeping it real. Let me go through. It's like top 10, right? Nothing too crazy. Create a will, right? I know we hear about wills. I remember hearing about, even if you've got it written out on paper and signed and, by the person, will that hold up in court? I mean, again, doing just that just at least helps put everything on the same page, right? And that could just be as simple as you just writing it down, right? Really, number two, regularly update it, right? One way you may feel in your 20s or 30s, you may not feel the same way in your 60s and 70s, so definitely want to update your will as your life changes and circumstances change, right? Appoint an executor, right? You definitely want to have someone in your family, your circle, who you trust, who that, kind of understands you, that has your best best interest at hand, right? You want to also consider a living trust, right? There's other ways of protecting yourself and reaping the benefits while you're still alive as well. You want to designate your beneficiaries, right? You've got lots of different maybe policies in place, and you may have different accounts, right? Every account has to have a beneficiary. So really making sure that you cross all of those T's and dot all those I's just simply for that reason, right? The other thing you want to keep in mind is you want to communicate financial information, right? Whether you're working with a professional or with the respected parties at hand, you have to share that information. You want to also document all the debts and liabilities, right? So this person that you are representing, you'd hope to have those records in order, but having all of the information available is going to definitely help that next executor or someone next in line. Considering life insurance, right? Obviously, having instruments in place that, and when that happens, when death happens, there's money that's transferred to a beneficiary, tax-free. For someone who owns a business, you want to plan for that business succession. The business succession is definitely something that, if you want your business to move on, if maybe it's not in your family, maybe you have to go outside or maybe you sell the business, but having that plan for the business succession. And then finally, you want to seek professional advice, whether you're working with a financial coach, financial advisors, mortgage advisors such as myself. There's definitely people out there to help you with this. This again has been another episode in Lessons in Financial Empowerment. Thank you.
You're listening to Life with DJ Sessions. Special thanks goes to Wade Oberlin of OnOurOwnRadio.com, Charles Fox, K-Divas Music Media, and the BDG Network. For more lessons in financial empowerment, stay tuned right here on WCSUFM.org for more Life with DJ Sessions.